So, and I was myself, I was talking as if, there's no match. Otherwise, I'm very serious on match day and stuff. Like there's nothing. And then my cousins had gifted me one t-shirt, okay? And it says, max to max, what will happen?
Oh, I like that phrase.
Yeah.
Max to max, what will happen?
Correct. So, it's just a joke that, whenever we have curfew time and all that, and we want to spend half an hour more with our cousins. So, I am the one giving them gyan. I'm like, max to max, what will happen? Your parents will shout at you. Take it. At least you'll enjoy this half an hour. It's bad advice, okay? But yeah, so my cousins, for my birthday, gifted me that t-shirt. Max to max, what will happen? Wow. So, I wore that t-shirt. And then, I think Smriti knocks and she needed some protein powder or something. And then she's like, she reads that t-shirt, hey, max to max, what will happen? I was also thinking the same thing. Yeah. Because it was a do or die game, New Zealand game.
Great.
And that is not me.
You are okay not being okay.
Not being okay, yeah. Even if today's match I go out there and I don't score, I think I'll still have the same peace. Yeah. Before that, my peace was very related to whether I do well or no.